after the Challenger and the Columbia accidents. Discovery is the most accomplished space shuttle ever, amounting to over 5,000 trips around the Earth and more than 300 days in space.
Although it is impossible to recognize the thousands of people by name who contributed to Discovery's achievements, we're honored to have 15 of the 32 commanders of Discovery who are here on stage. We have Bo Bobko, whose 1985 mission delivered 2 communications satellites into orbit. Joe Engel, whose crew delivered 3 satellites and retrieved and repaired another. Okay, now if you're going to cheer for one of them, you have to cheer for all of them. Ready? Okay, Mike Coates flew all his missions on Discovery. Once as a pilot and twice as commander, and now is director of the Johnson Space Center. Fred Gregory commanded a classified mission. Remember the instructions, guys? Back up. You can tell an astronaut, but you can't tell him much. Bob Cabana, now director of NASA's Kennedy Space Center, served on another Discovery national security mission. Ken Cameron and crew conducted a scientific mission to planet Earth that studied the atmosphere. Gotta get these pages here. That's what moisture does for you on a nice morning like this. Well, the rest of you guys just stand up and all right. Frank Culberson commanded a mission that delivered a completed the first docking and crew exchange with the International Space Station. Eileen Collins flew missions on Discovery, first as pilot and then as return to flight commander to the space station. Steve Lindsay commanded Discovery twice on missions to the space station and brought it home from its final unassisted flight. Get it? Work on that one. C.J. Sturko and crew delivered a massive amount of equipment to the space station. Alan Poindexter and crew on the space station became the largest contingent ever in space at one time, 13 people. And also with us, 13 more shuttle astronauts. We welcome pilots Bill Reedy, Don Williams, Joe Allen, Chris Ferguson, Patrick Forrester, John Brunsville, Tom Jones, Janet Combandi, Leland Melvin, Paolo Nespoli, Ken Ryder, Steve Robinson, Katie Thornton, and now last but not least, payload specialist 2, John Glenn. This is one of the greatest gatherings of astronauts probably in the harder than I thought it was going to be. When you're a commander, you're the top of the bunch. And we're here, we've seen today, but this is only a handful of the incredible people in NASA who are risking their lives every day in space and developing new capabilities to get there. It's just, you're experiencing something you won't. It's not only these airplanes, you're not going to see this again either. Now I'm going to get on something I know something about. 2012 is the 100th anniversary of Marine Corps aviation. You're going to see, and we're going to celebrate that here this entire year, and you'll see threads of it as evidenced by the Marine Shuttle Corps, and you're going to see more of it right now, because prior to becoming an astronaut and traveling in into orbit 4 times, he was a distinguished aviator who served in the Marine Corps for 35 years.